place an oven rack on the highest slot underneath the top grill. It needs to be close to the heating element by at least 4 centimeters. But as you can see, the rack in my oven is in fact far from the heating element by at least 8 centimeters. So what do? I take an empty stainless steel baking pan around 4 centimeters high and overturn it on the oven rack. In this way, it will act as a support to raise the round pizza pan, bringing it closer to the top grill. Finally, make sure there is enough space to easily insert and to pull out the pizza pan. Clearly, each oven is different, but usually a pan between 3 and 5 centimeters in height should work well.